When my dad was in the military, he had been a B-29 fighter pilot, a highly decorated pilot. And my mother thought he might stay in the military because he was already a major, but he wanted to be an independent businessman. And so that's when he decided to found his own company. That was the beginning of Marche Manufacturing.
Well, the company was founded in 1945. My grandfather was a pipe organ builder. My father came up with a solution for DC power for the pipe organs. In the past, they had used motor generator. It made a lot of noise in church, and so he came up with a solid-state power supply.
My dad had tremendous willpower and believed that you could accomplish anything you set your mind to. And I think that that's something that Austin really imbued in the company, that this is a place where you have opportunity.
I started off as an intern in 1989, soldering circuit boards and testing circuit boards. And what I saw here at Marche was there were a lot of departments that I could learn my trade.
The most unique thing I could say about Marche is that it really pushes you to pursue your own route, so to speak.
The chance and the opportunity I always get to prove myself.
We want our employees to grow, but it's a place where you can come and develop yourself and develop your skills, and there is opportunity for you here.
One of my friends said, "What do you do?" Switching power from one grid to the other part of the grid. I said, it's done by batteries, these big giant industrial type batteries, and we make battery chargers that charge those.
So if they can picture a railroad crossing, the gates go up and down, we charge the batteries that the gates work on.
Our equipment is primarily used as backup. I tell them, those big power lines that you see on the side of the road or by your house, we support that equipment that keeps that up and running.
Marche provides power conversion products from battery chargers, UPSs, inverters, DC-DC converters, and also auxiliary products such as AC and DC distribution.
One of the things about Marche that kind of sets us apart from our competitors is we're in multiple industries. Electric utilities, oil and gas, engine starting applications. We provide UPSs, marine, and also telecom.
A big part of our market right now is data centers. At these data centers, there is a massive amount of backup power that they try to support. On the telecom side, our equipment is utilized for microwave stations, emergency radio. For example, the New York City Police have a lot of our equipment at their sites. It could also be utilized for cell sites, the connection between, your phone being available or not. Processing stations for oil refineries as well, those pumps that transport crude oil from one site to another. On the critical infrastructure side, our equipment supports, for example, hospitals. They can't afford to have their patients without equipment.
Marche is the only one that makes all these products. We have a competitor that might only make products for the utility market or only make products for the engine start market. But for us, it always was about custom products. One of the things we're very proud of here at Marche is Made in USA. Made in USA, for me, means high quality.
We got equipment in the field that's been operating for, sometimes 30 plus years. And that's something you can't really say about a lot of other products you might see.
We're a vertically integrated company, building the circuit boards in-house, designing the circuit boards in-house. We design the magnetics, transformers, inductors in-house, and we build it in-house.
We manufacture everything basically that goes inside a charger except the raw material.
It makes us competitive because we control all aspects of the production of a battery charger.
Marche is almost like a custom house. We come up with brand new features that would suit their application.
I've been here 40 years, so it kind of goes back to when I first started. It was kind of instilled in the culture there. Marche was a company that is willing to work with a customer. What can we do special for you? So being vertically integrated, I think that allows us to control all our processes a little bit better.
It was always about providing a product that is not just basic, not just off the shelf. Because we're vertically integrated, we can redesign something, fit it into that unit, make it work, and ship it out on time and in cost, and support it for a lot of years.
Marche's reputation throughout the years has been a quality product, something that's reliable, that's basically bulletproof.
Making it here in US under one roof is one of the main reasons Marche is around for 80 years.
Marche is the only battery charger manufacturer in the world that makes 4 different battery charger technologies. So that makes us unique. So what's important to the customer? Do they need something that's highly reliable? Or do they need something that's a high-performing unit or something with a really small footprint? So we can provide the product to the customer based on what attributes important to him.
So what are the top 3 products here at LaMarche that we sell? One is an A12B, it's a battery charger. It's mag-amp technology. It's not the most efficient technology, but it's a very robust. It is literally transformer and diodes. Very easy to troubleshoot, and it's used in harsh environments. And it just lasts for years and years.
There's almost nothing that can go bad in it. Obviously, over the years, we've modified the control circuitry, a lot of monitoring and data logging, and plenty of features that are needed in the modern world.
The second best product that LaMarche has is a TPSD. That's a ferroresonant technology. That has worked well for us because it has a higher efficiency. It's still convection cooled, no fans are required, very easy to troubleshoot. It has a fault tolerance, meaning even if your controls fail, the charger will still provide 30% of your power.
We use that for customers that require high performance and high reliability and high efficiency.
And the third one is an SCR based.
Silicon control rectifier is one of the most popular ones in the industry. It uses SCRs to control the voltage.
It's more digitally controlled. You can have one control card, give you alarms, give you the display.
It does allow us to provide a higher range of output. As you can see, all these technologies do offer pros and cons, and all based on what the customer's needs are.
What's the greatest part about the LaMarche people that work here? It's the longevity. I have been here for 35 years.
And I've been with the company almost 40 years.
I've been here 15 years.
I've been with LaMarche for 48 years.
In November will be 53 years.
We know everybody by their first name here at LaMarche. I want to know how people are feeling.
I see a lot of manufacturing companies that I think are really financial companies that don't really care as much about the product that they're manufacturing or even the people that work there. It's not at all like that here.
At the end of the day, we all work together. We all laugh together, eat together. Being able to work and help each other out, it really does feel like a family at the end of the day.
It is such a privilege to be a part of their families and to share in their lives.
The relationship between the owners and the employees, it's pretty strong.
The company has a commitment to the product, to the customers, but also it has a commitment to its employees. It's one of the things that's kept me around for all these years.
We go through old pictures and we go through old albums. It's great fun to honor and remember when people worked here. People retire and then they come back. And I think they do it because they like to come back. And it's not because we pay them so well. I wish we did, but they come back because they enjoy seeing their friends again. So I think it really is about the people.